In the past, I controlled a Piezo speaker here using CircuitPython with a Raspberry Pi Pico, and it uses GPIO pin 22. Whether you use MicroPython or CircuitPython, the GPIO is the same. First, let's connect it. When I controlled it using CircuitPython, I used PWM, and this time I will also use PWM to control the Piezo speaker with MicroPython. First, you can connect it like this. I opened the previous code and very carefully deleted it. Then, I very successfully imported from machine, vault, pin, PWM, and from time, vault, sleep. Next, I very carefully set up PWM on pin 22, GPIO 22, and very successfully controlled the duty based on a 16-bit buzzer, which is 32768. This is 15 bits, right? In this case, the original 100% is for 16 bits, so setting this to 50% means that when you have a system that originally uses 16 bits, the full capacity is represented as 100%. Therefore, by setting this to 50%, you are effectively reducing the capacity by half. Next, the buzzer will be set to 200. 1, 100, 800, 1000, and so on, which is very similar to when I used CircuitPython before. Set it to 100, 800, 1000 for the buzzer, like this. Let's check it out right now. I have the program set up now. I will press reset. Similarly, you can control the Piezo speaker with PWM using MicroPython. This time we tried controlling a Piezo speaker using MicroPython on a Raspberry Pi. It's quite similar to what we did with CircuitPython. But honestly, since CircuitPython is customized based on MicroPython, there are many similar commands and classes. Then, I will see you next time with different content.